हे गाइस, दिल्ली में आज बहुत बारिश हो रही है। मन किया मोमोज़ खाने का स्पाइसी चटनी के साथ, तो हम बनाते हैं मोमोज़। फॉर स्टफिंग वी टेक ऑयल, 1 टीस्पून ऑयल, small piece of chopped ginger, 1 chopped garlic clove finely chopped, 1 finely chopped onion. Mix it well. Then we'll add 1 chopped capsicum, 1 chopped carrot, 1 to 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and finally we'll sprinkle some Italian seasoning. Saute it well. Then we can add paneer if you want to make paneer momos, otherwise you can skip this. Again mix it well and keep it aside. For dough I'm taking 1 cup maida, half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. We'll knead the dough with chilled water. Slowly add the water to the maida and knead it in a tight dough. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and let the dough rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, again knead the dough properly and cut it into small balls. Make very small thin roundels with the help of these balls. Today I'll be using a gunjia maker to make these momos, and they have really turned out well. Put one of the roundels in the gunjia maker. Add the stuffing. Stuffing ज़्यादा ही भरे and then close it properly, tight. Make all the momos. Now for steaming, boil water in a pan and place all the momos on a plate after brushing some oil. Cover it with the lid and boil for 10 to 12 minutes. The momos would be ready. Enjoy the rainy season of Delhi with homemade momos and spicy chutney. Thank you for watching.